Market research benefits. How to get your business up and running like an expert. Market. Check for profitability. If the market is exposing signs of return on investment, you will be inspired to invest heavily. Besides, if the target market isn't profitable, then you will stop wasting your resources and time. Competitors. Competitor analysis is an assessment of the strengths and weaknesses of current and potential competitors. Demand. Understand where is the greatest demand and what country, city, is better to enter. Target audience. Do market research for leaning which is distribution channels the most appropriate for your business. Tools. Find a list of tools which can help you to develop business, advertising, and marketing structure in your company. Recommendations. Get a vision about the market concerning which you get involved in as for business strategy planning. Worried you don't have the time to do it yourself? We have got you covered. We at MRTS Consulting Ltd. can help your business achieve all that while you have time to focus on other things. Call us today on +855 12 610 677 or email us at info@mrtsconsulting.com.